Hi everyone, this is the 5th video newsletter for weekly updates by RioDeFi here in our Hong Kong office. Thank you so much for joining us, and I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, that way you can stay in touch for all of our weekly updates. Today I'm going to share with you the latest corporate news, which includes the results of our Lucky Draw campaign that started on October 30th and ran through November 2nd. We announced the winners on November 11th. And more details on a new strategic partnership that was announced earlier this week with Kylan Network. I'll briefly touch on the release of our binary code and where you can find it, and give some brief comments on the DeFi market's macroeconomic picture. So first, let me introduce myself. For those of you that are new, I'm James Anderson, the CEO of RioDeFi. RioDeFi accelerates the mass adoption of digital assets by bridging the gap between traditional and decentralized finance. We envision a world in which everyone has access to DeFi services. Headquartered in Hong Kong with tech teams in both Shanghai and Belarus, we are a growing operation with team members all around the world, and we develop solutions that connect blockchain systems to financial institutions. Our applications enable lower transaction fees, faster confirmations, more efficiency, and global reach. Now, the results of the RioDeFi giveaway campaign. So on Wednesday, we released the list of 127 winners following a lucky draw campaign that we organized with the launch of the RioChain mainnet and beta version of Rio Wallet last month. The list of the winners can be found on Medium, so the link to that video is going to be in the description. For privacy reasons and to stay within the spirit of blockchain technology, we only gave the first 6 and last 6 alphanumeric digits of the wallet addresses of the winners to protect people's financial privacy. Prizes ranged from 1,000 to 50,000 R-Fuel and physical goods as well, including an iPhone 12 Pro and 20 branded Ledger Nano X devices. These are hardware wallets with the RioDeFi logo on them. So we're sending emails to each of the 127 winners. So don't forget to check your inbox and also check your spam mailbox to ensure that you have this email if you won. This will be especially important for those who won any of the physical devices, as we'll need additional information, including your mailing address, in order to send those to you. Now, by now, all the participants in the campaign, even those who didn't win, will be receiving their 10 free R-Fuel in their Rio wallets. So please log in to check. And once that happens, please take a screenshot and share it on Twitter with the hashtag Rio Wallet to show some support for our project. We're extremely happy with the results of this lucky draw campaign, where over 6,000 Rio wallets were created. So thank you, because this serves as an excellent motivation to our team to continue developing these fantastic products to help bridge the gap between traditional and decentralized finance. Now, regarding the new strategic partnership that we have, I'm pleased to announce our partnership with Kylan Network, an advanced decentralized data feed protocol powered by Polkadot. So this is going to enable us to have access to a very comprehensive suite of data analytics tools, including business intelligence metrics and machine learning algorithms that can help any developer who builds apps on RioChain to be able to analyze what's happening on the back end of those applications in a more simple, clear, and transparent way, and then share this data with their community. So we're very excited for this suite of tools, which will help anyone who's developing apps within our network. We will be sharing more information on this partnership in the coming weeks, including doing some video commentary with the CEO of Kylan Network. So through their developed query engine and REST server, we'll be able to extract data from various applications built on RioChain to ensure reliable, secure, and cost-effective data can be transmitted to all the communities that use these applications. Now, as of today, RioChain has generated more than 520,000 blocks on the mainnet, with an average rate of 1 block every 2 seconds. The binary code for RioChain can be found on our GitHub, and any developer can run a node on RioChain to test and sync the data to the blockchain. So this is not a validator node, but it is a data sync node to allow you to get a copy of all the transaction history and to essentially run that and maintain the network history. So feedback is always welcome, and we encourage any developers working, especially within the Substrate community, to come and try this out, use the DataSync node, and give us any feedback on our Telegram group, which is at RioDeFi Official. So regarding the overall DeFi markets, I wanted to give a quick update from what we've seen from our vantage point. So the DeFi markets were experiencing a severe correction since the end of September when the price of Bitcoin started to rise again. Many tokens lost more than 50% of their value since that time frame. However, we're happy to see that many tokens are now rising once again, and we see that Bitcoin itself is up to nearly $16,000. The DeFi market as a whole is showing very strong signs of healthy growth, including over $15.5 billion US worth of value locked in various DeFi protocols. So, this is still the early days for both DeFi and especially RioDeFi. So thank you for joining with us at this time as we grow and for supporting us. We're always keen to receive feedback, so please leave any comments you have in the YouTube comments below, as well as to join our Telegram group at RioDeFi Official, subscribe to this channel, and stay up to date with everything that we're up to. And if you have any suggestions for ways in which we can partner with other companies, or if you'd like to see a DeFi product built on RioChain, please reach out to us. We're always keen to receive your feedback. Thank you so much. We appreciate your support. Take care.